All right, guys, so here we are with the 50mm F-16 from Hobby King, and we have done some modifications to it, or need I say Wayne has done modifications. Tell us what you did, bud. What'd you do?
Yeah, that's the intake.
Yeah,
I had to
nice.
we're all, let me switch that off. Got the safe on. Never used safe, this is my first time, I'm virgin. So anytime you bury a fan in the fuselage, you pretty much are starving it of what it needs on a low wind.
Yep.
And so what I do is I always put in some extras on top. I get rid of there's your cheater hole, so
Yep.
I get rid of the vacuum effect, which is like this, the atmosphere. When you're sucking all that off the bottom, the atmosphere is pushing you down, so it will affect the pitch a little bit.
Yep.
So you neutralize that, and then you get all the added benefit of more power at slower speeds, is exactly what you want. High speed, you're only going to get so much out of a 50mm.
Right on. So what did you do to the front here?
Oh yeah, the skid.
Yeah.
Well, most of the time F-16s, the tiny F-16s without no landing gear, will come in and then they'll go down and then they'll hit this, and then this gets chewed up because it's almost in the same plane.
Right.
So I just put this little skid here, got the custom right up the shiznit right there, and it's all should work. I haven't flown it, we're gonna find out.
Awesome. Well, let's find out.
All right, let's see.
All right.
Get safe. Yep. And you already checked everything, right? Left,
Yep.
right, and up and down. I can't see why there's going to be a problem.
Shouldn't be.
I'm the only problem.
Nah, you got this, man. That jet flies great, dude. I'm telling you. That's why. I knew you love it.
Want here?
Huh?
Yeah,
about to blow my hat off. I know, right? All right, man. Show us what you're working with.
Got safe on. Right. Wind's nice.
Yep. Give it the power. Can't keep up with it, Wayne. I can't even find it.
Oh, okay, it's fine.
Fine. I've got clouds. There it is.
Trim it a little bit.
Got a timer set?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, well, you need 3 minutes.
All right. Upwind, kind of slow. 3 around.
You need to clock it.
And then I'll go right on top. All right, I'll do one more pot pass. Bring her around and land it.
Nice, man.
This is
Stick the
skid.
landing. You stuck it.
All right, so that was literally 1.5 seconds off of 3 minutes. Some full throttle stuff. We'll see what we got for battery.
Cool, man. Flight number 2 in the books.
He was jiggling all over the place because I had everything off. I just like the safer the throwing part. It's
Yeah.
great. That dead calm air.
Nice.
Oh,
Hobby King, $150.
awesome.
Can't beat it. Get you one.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh, you do? Yeah. a mile from the end of the runway. So you see
Nice.
the eggs turning, see if the
Somebody
cell.
told me to take the plug out and take some.
That's right. Oh my God, yeah. At least look down in there and the top, see if it's actually moving. If it's not, then connect it to that part.
Yeah, I know.
It's just taking it apart and doing it.
Time.
Oh yeah.
And it got right at the edge of the thing, like they're so light. They're not like the little high drivers. They're heavy. So I crammed them in the front, and that helped with a lot of balance. So if I put those light or
Doing the flying. Yeah. All we gotta do is get some of those. They make them in the bluebirds. It'd be a little harder to see than a